What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Detroit Love, with another video. I'm going to take a break from a Spider-Man game here and check out the game of the week here. Gyruss, probably backwards on this screen here. But Gyruss, Gyruss. Let's check it out. So this week's game of the week is called Gyruss. And I am not familiar with this game at all. It's saying here that it's considered to be a cross between Tempest and Galaga. But Galaga's my game. Tempest, now I don't have a spinner, so I would imagine this is gonna be a little difficult to play. But let's check it out. Let's put some coins in. That quarter free zone, man, that's no fun. It's not an arcade unless you got some quarters. Oh, I put them in a little early because that's the select button. You know, it brings up that menu. So I wasted some quarters. Not paying attention. All right, here we go. Please deposit coins and try this game. Okay. I don't recall ever playing this game before. For sure. They're having some issue with the volume on this game. Yeah, see that? I don't know what has happened to my speaker here. Whoa. Worrying about the sound. So, I'm going to have to take this speaker out and change it out and see what's happening. I'm not sure what's happening. But it sounds horrible. I'm just gonna have to just redo this whole. Dang. I have to redo this whole thing anyway. For me to get my sound button, I have to solder the power button back on. Alright, look like I finished that board. Warp to Neptune. Two left? Nope. I don't know, something's loose on this joystick as well. Oh, it's like the whole internals is loose. I don't know what that's all about. Because the joystick mount is not loose. It's the center of the joystick that's loose. I mean, with this sound, it's not a great game. Sounds horrible with this sound. sure there's some type of strategy to this that I'm not following. No. I hold the button down. Nope. Can't auto fire, so you have to press. Uh-oh, look like I got an upgrade here. A double shooter. Well, the screen really looks washed out on this video. It's not like that in person. Looks horrible. I see why you guys are wanting to upgrade your monitors, but I mean that's for the second players, not so much for me. I mean, it looks fine, but in the camera it looks horrible. Come here, sucker. Neptune, finally. Got the high score at 17,000. Maybe I need a light. Come on. Missed that. Gotta look at this as a challenging stage, because that's what it is. I usually don't mess up with the challenging stages. Look like I missed one. Going to turn that light on. Light might be a little too much. 3 warps to Uranus. That's silly. Hope they never make it to Uranus. No, I went the wrong way. Now I need to see how this... I had to put this on the other machine just to hear how the sound is supposed to happen. Oh my goodness, how the sound is supposed to sound, because this sounds horrible. Uh-oh, that's it. Alright, 35,000. I guess I got some points for crashing. Not a bad game. With the sound effects, it's with my speakers acting up. Doesn't sound too good. So let's see. Let's find it over here and see if maybe we can hear how it's supposed to sound. EFG. What was it again? Oh, GY. Right there. Please deposit some coin. No, I put 4 quarters in there. I'm not gonna play this. I don't know. Sound don't sound too much better. just a little better, but see why I like to play vertical on vertical and horizontal on horizontal. I mean, if you only have one cab, I mean, still, it's better to be able to play these games than to not play them, right? So it's not bad. I mean, it's an 8-way. You can sort of feel that bounce in there. I would imagine I get more points when they're approaching me and when they're active versus stationary down there. And these little things are bonuses, no doubt. No, trying to be greedy. Neptune, here I come. Chance stage, that's bonus stage, yeah. Oh, dog neck. Ah, it was horrible. That was worse than before I knew what to do. I still didn't really know what to do. No! I had 35,000 over there. No, I won't get it. Won't get it on this coin. 10,000 less. So that's a look at Gyruss. Not a bad game. What's my initials? Definitely something different, something more challenging than standard Galaga. Yeah, I would play that. I mean, now it's always been on my verticals top list, and that's only because when I was putting together, I was looking at the 60 and 1 and like what are the 60 top games that people want to play as vertical. So that's why I put it on there, but I never really played it. So that's what these game of the week things are for, to introduce us all to things that we wouldn't normally play, may not be aware of. Like I stated in the weekly podcast, the Loft Report, is, we played the games that were near us because it was a location-based entertainment, right? You either had a bowling alley like I did, or a party store. You're lucky if you had a arcade where you had several games, because the smaller locations typically had either 1, 2, tops 3 games there, unless you had a big arcade near you at a mall and things like that. You played the games that were closest to you, that you had access to. So we're not all familiar with every game out here. I mean, these things have 2,200 plus games that are arcade only, and man, there's no way you can know what all these games are and have played every last one. So that's why we do these game of the week, to reintroduce or introduce to you different games to play, so you're not always just playing the same old games over and over that I know I typically do. All right, guys, so that's it. Appreciate you guys coming and watching and visiting. I appreciate if you hadn't already subscribed, please subscribe. That helps the channel grow. If you have subscribed, consider sharing the station or this video with the groups that you belong to, because I'm not in all the groups. I can't be in all the groups. You guys have different interests and different things that you do. Please share the videos in those groups and help us grow. I appreciate it. What is your favorite game? What do you think about this game? Do you typically play the same game over and over? Do you like the idea of rediscovering or discovering different games to play on your main cabinets? Let me know in the comments. And thank you again. Until next time, guys, I'll see you on the web.